I'm out here looking for this little Joe dirt. Oh no, this is yucky out in here. Alright, so Joe dirt is somewhere here in a... Oh my god, no! I don't want to crash. Alright, I'm gonna stop. Alright. I don't know which way he went. Spence! Alright, that little Joe dirt is missing. Taking him some water and leaving him back in this desert. I'll be back. Alright, I found Joe dirt. Gave him a water. You ready to stay in here in the desert? Okay, show me. What do you find? A knife in here?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
I made it.
You made a knife?
Yeah.
So you ready to be left over here in the desert?
Maybe.
Water? Do you need a Gatorade? Because I'm heading back to the camp over there. Alright, see you later, Joe Dirt. He's hunting here. Alright, better have some rabbit for dinner. Night night, sleep tight.
And some smaller lizards, and
Joe
that's
Dirt has
all.
the dirt on the skin. You gonna eat the dirt? Where's Turtle?
The turtle.
Done.